Ideation involves sketching. Ideation in a creative process, whether by a graphic designer or illustrator, follows 3 stages. These are idea generation, idea selection, and idea development. The client in their brief provides you with a creative visual communication problem to solve. Research provides you with insights from contextual knowledge gleaned from a variety of sources. Ideation is the process you have all been doing since day one of design school, whether you call it that or not. You generate ideas by sketching these possibilities. You visually communicate possible creative solutions to others and yourself with the minimum of visual marks. How does someone else see your possible solution from a few roughly sketched marks? They interpret what they see from their lived experiences. But how clear have you been in sketching the idea?